Hi friends, myself Aniket Renavikar, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In the MCOM Valuation of Real Estate program, in semester 3rd, the subject is Maintenance and Repairs of Building Structures. In that, the topic is the durability of concrete. So today we learn about the durability of concrete. Epidemic of premature deterioration of concrete structure witnessed in recent years all over the world. Image of concrete as maintenance-free and durable material tarnished. Word phenomenon which has assumed a serious magnitude. Problems in India not severe as in the West because less stock of concrete structures, excepting coastal areas and industrial belts concrete structures are subjected to less aggressive environment. In durability is not a property, but rather an attribute related to function of performance versus time. Accelerated tests of durability are of a limited value. Durable concrete is one that is designed, constructed and maintained to perform satisfactorily in the expected environment for the specified lifetime of structure without undue maintenance. Durability resists of a concrete to a variety of physical and chemical attacks. Aggressive in that durability of concrete, the aggressive agents could have external origin, chloride ions from de-icing salts, CO2, sulfate, etc., and internal origin are alkalis in cement or CaCl2 incorporated in a set of accelerator. Complexity of the problem is concrete made locally, materials vary from place to place, heterogeneous nature of concrete, environment variation from region to region. These are the complexity of the problems. In that we can also learn about the causes of deterioration. In that lack of durability manifests in the form of cracking, spalling, loss of strength. Main causes of deterioration is a corrosion of reinforcement, carbonation, sulfate attack, alkali and aggregate reaction, etc. Deteriorated concrete suffers from more than one cause of deterioration. Next is the carbonation of concrete. Initially, steel protected by high alkalinity of the cement paste. Surface of the steel protected by a thin and passive film of Fe2O3. With the passage of time, CO2 is atmosphere 0.03% react with free lime of concrete as CO2 plus CaOH2 minus CaCO2 plus H2O. Reaction of CO2 with the products of cement hydration is called carbonation, and carbonation increases shrinkage of concrete on drying and thus tends to promote development of cracks. In the corrosion of reinforcement, generally concrete provides adequate protection of steel. Carbonation of concrete can lead to corrosion of steel, which is an electrochemical process. pH of concrete is smaller than 11 destroys passivity of protective layer, and concrete environment becomes acidic or mildly alkaline. Corrosion starts when moisture and oxygen gain access into concrete. In corrosion process is in that first initial period and propagation period is formed. Also, corrosion rate depends upon the type of cement, water cement ratio, temperature and relative humidity. Also, for the durability of concrete, we can sulfate attack is formed. In that, naturally occurring sulfates of NaK, Ca or Mg found in soil or dissolved in groundwater attack concrete. For that, sulfates combine with free lime to form gypsum, and combination of gypsum and hydrated calcium aluminate form calcium sulfoaluminate. Result of some reduction in strength accompanied by expansion As sulfate attack proceeds, some change in color, cracking and spalling of concrete. Also in that alkali aggregate reaction is takes place. In that usually solution evaluation the aggregate for potential reactivity. If positive, use of alternative source of aggregates or limit the alkali content in concrete to 3 kg per meter cube, or use cement with an alkali content of less than 0.6% is equivalent. In that we can various tests to evaluate alkali aggregate reaction. Use of mineral admixtures, beneficial effects, no general agreement, large replacement required, practical observations, additional use of secondary steel. These are the points controlling the level of humidity to sealers and coating. These are the points for required or carried out in the alkali aggregate reaction. Next is a transport mechanism. Durability governed by properties of skin concrete, particularly its resistance to aggressive media. Aggressive media can be present in liquid or gaseous form and transported by the permeation, diffusion, absorption and capillary suction. So potential durability can be evaluated on the basis of transport coefficients. These are the various points to be covered in the durability of concrete. In that we can already see the various definitions: carbonation of concrete, causes of deterioration, corrosion of reinforcement, alkali aggregate reaction, which are responsible for the, and last is a also sulfate attack, and last is a transport of mechanism is carried out in the durability process. So friends, today we stop here. All is with reference to the self instruction material of MCOM validation of real estate program prepared by the Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So friends, today we stop here. Any query, any doubt regarding this topic, you can directly mail on following mail ID: cde_multi@unishivaji.ac.in. Thank you very much.